How to accept friend request on PS5. So if one of your friends has said go ahead and accept my friend request, this is how you're going to be able to find where to go to accept it. So first of all, you're going to want to get your PlayStation 5 controller. Then you'll want to just simply press the PlayStation logo in the middle and bring up a screen like this. Then you want to scroll along until you see the fourth one there where it says Game Base. Click X on that. Then in this section here, you should see a part where it says friend requests. There it will be a friend request received. Then you should see one where it says accept or reject within there. You can also click on the person's profile, then click accept a request if you have one there. And as well, if you for some reason can't find it in there and you maybe have too many friend requests, what you can do is type in the person's name, then go on their profile, then at the top you will be able to accept their friend request if you have too many. So that's how it's done. Please do leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos just like this one.